So hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today vlog is going to be very interesting. It's in my last video when I did my GoPro unboxing. On that I mentioned that I'll be doing a Moto Vlog Setup. So this is the video, and if you have not seen my other video of unboxing of GoPro, which I have, you can find the link on top. Okay, this video is going to be very simple and quick and easy for a beginner how to set up a camera, your Moto Vlog setup using GoPro 10. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Now, as you can see, I have a few items here. Okay, now this I will tell you how much I paid everything. Now these items for you to start a moto vlog, first you need to have a GoPro. Okay, you can have mobile, whatever you want and whichever camera you have, but I have chosen GoPro because I have a GoPro. So you can see I have a GoPro here, GoPro 10. Then you need, with the GoPro 10 for a moto vlog, you need also a GoPro adapter, which is a 3.5mm mic adapter. This is very important, especially when you're putting a helmet. When you use a helmet, you need to use this. Okay, this is the price. I paid around 4,800. It is expensive. And then I've got this upgraded helmet strap mount. Now this is also very good. Okay, I paid around 2,000 from the shop. I brought it. And then you need to have the plastic for the G94 case for the GoPro. You need to fix this because without the case you cannot fix on the helmet. And obviously you have the extra mounts that you need to put. But before that, I will show you the helmet that I've got. So let's check the helmet. I've already checked it, pre-checked the helmet to make sure that during my vlog, during my shoot, it's not damaged, guys. So a few tips I will give you. Okay, so that is the helmet. I give you a tip on this. This is the helmet from a brand Steelbird, and it has an ISI mark. Okay, it's called the SBH17 robot. The model brand is Steelbird, and it's also called the Terminator helmet. Now this is a scratch resistant visor and a polycarbonate silicone hard coated. Yeah, and this is basically, it is a matte black gray finish. It's a matte finish. When you want to fix a GoPro, you need to have a flat surface. When you have a helmet, make sure it's flat. A little bit bent is fine, but it should not be pointed. Then you cannot fix the mount strap. Okay. Now this helmet is very good. I purchased this. So now you got the back vent. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ventilations. Yeah, and then you've got a head vent where you can. This is your lock. I'm not sure you can see. This is a lock. If you want to have the air going in, you push it back. It's open. Now you have the visor, which is your system here. The red button. If you press, it opens out. Let's remove this out from here, the sticker, because we need to fix the GoPro. Remove this out. Now, in one point is here I want to make. When you lock this, there are two ways of doing it. If you press this button once, it opens. Okay. Now in this, if you want to have a front air ventilation, you can just close it slowly. That's one. You can keep it like this to have vent. Okay, that's one clicking sound. The second clicking sound, it will lock. Clear? So there are two type of levels. One is half vent, second is fully covered. So many people say it's damaged, it's defected. It's not defected, it's not damaged. It is just that it's made like that. The technology that you can have half vent and fully covered. So that's enough about the helmet. Let's move on to the fixing. We have to take this out. Okay, I will show this one to you. Let's open it from the back because I have already checked it. There you go. Now this is coming with a loop. Keep this aside. This is a loop, and this is the mount that you have. There are different types of mount. In this when you're fixing a GoPro on your helmet, you have two types. One is the one that you fix on your helmet using some kind of plaster, okay? Even here, they fix it permanently. That is one way of doing it with your plaster. But that can cause a damage, because later on if you remove it, it causes damage. So this is the easiest way, and trust me guys, it is very steady and nice, good quality. This is very soft and spongy, see? It is very spongy and flexible. So this is very good. So let's show you now how to fix it. Okay, so very easy step. Let's fix this strap. It has an open strap here. It's a Velcro. So when you mount it, you have to fix here. It's very easy, and this doesn't slip also. And the good thing about this is it is very soft, and this takes the shape. See, it takes the shape. It doesn't slip, and it's got grooves. It's got a rubber groove like a grip, so it holds on very nicely. So all you do is we take this strap right around. You bring it from here. Okay, you bring this out from here, and you put this through this, and you make it straight. Okay, one. Just keep it now for a while. I'll adjust this other one. The same thing you will do it for here. Take this through this. Okay, now you have to make sure it's centered, so you can pull the strap. Okay, make it tight and nice. The same thing you do with here. You can fix this here straight. Okay. So now you can see, just make sure the two ends, the straps are not blocking. Okay, there's the two ends here, otherwise this visor will not lock. So make sure these are out from the. Okay. Now you can see there. Okay, it's not shaking. Okay guys, because this is the best way to fix it and easy to move. So it doesn't, this one doesn't damage your helmet. So now let's move on to your GoPro. Okay, what else I need? I don't need this. You have, of course, this is the one that you need to fix on this completely. People can use here to fix it, or also you can use it here by using 3M tape. You have to peel this and use it here, but I'm not using this now because I'm using this strap already. Okay, mounted strap. This is the GoPro case, because we need to fix this here. And this also I've got it for around 2,000 rupees. Just 2,000 rupees for this. Keep it aside. Open this. I've got this extra mount, the J mount. See, this I've got. It's called the Action Pro. This is the extra Action Pro J mount. You got the small and big. You can extend it. Now, if you want, you can fix this here and clip it on. So, if you fix this GoPro here, the visibility it will be only straight. Okay, but we want our camera to be up and down, moving. Because if I fix this here, without using the extended mount, by using this directly onto my GoPro, my helmet will be straight and my visibility of camera will be straight. So Motovlog setup has to be, the camera has to move down and upward, both ways. So we are using this extender. Okay. So I will use this one first. We will use this. Yeah, it is very simple. You fix here, put the screw and turn. It's tight. Now I will, because this is the one we need to fix, you see. Now as you want your camera to be fixed down, you want it up, you want it low, you can do adjustment. So yeah, so now it's tightened. This is how the loose is and hard. Now we use the other extended, this one. Okay. Now we have to fix the GoPro on this. Now before you fix the GoPro on the case, you have to remove this out, because this has to be removed to go in here. There's a pin, just bring it out and it opens. Okay, so we take this, we fix this inside, it's in, you lock. Now it's locked, you lock this. Done. This is your front view and this is your back view. So we fix here. Okay, we clamp this and we just twist. Now you can see it's, how you want to adjust it. You tighten this more. Now it's fixed, guys. See, it's not even shaking. This is the very simple way, without damaging your helmet. You can use this mount here. This, okay, it's called the upgraded helmet strap. This is the upgraded helmet strap. So this strap you can use, tighten. Step 1. Step 2, you fix the mount in here. Step 3, you put the GoPro onto the case and you add. So only basically 2 steps here you have to add. One is this and one is this. Adding the extended mount, J mount. And if you want to extend it more longer, you can add another one. Okay, you can remove this and add another one for some people who want it longer, but I don't need it. That is depending on your this thing. As you can see, this is your setup for your GoPro. So this is your step 1, how to fix the GoPro and the mount on with the strap. Okay. Step 2 is checking your wiring. So as you can see, when you get a helmet, make sure you have the inner layer. The inner layer should be removable. Okay, we have to remove like this. You see, this should be removed, because if this is permanent, guys, then you cannot fix. The wiring will be open. So you have to open this here. Okay, you have to open this and then you can fix your wiring. To make my video short, I will just put the wire and then I will show you. I'll fix the adapter. Okay, to fix the adapter here, you need to have a helmet which has removable inners. Okay, the inner part has to be removed, not completely, but you can put for the wiring. It has to have a space to put your adapter and the wiring here. So I will fix this right now and then I will show you how I fixed it. Okay guys, so as you can see now, this is the step 1 that we have fixed the upgraded helmet mount. This is the helmet mount. We use the extended J mount, okay, to move the GoPro up and down flexible. That is step 1. Now step 2, as you can see, I have already fixed the wiring. Okay, this is a studio wire I have taken. This wire, this mic is a Sony brand and which is a studio. This is a studio mic. Now how I fix this, I will show you. Now I have to fix the adapter. Okay, so this is done. Okay, you can see I have taken the wire right around. This is the wire. Basically, you just move this out from here and you take the wire from inside and you clip it. Okay, and you pin. Now you just pin this. The wire is inside here. You see, you take it in, move this, and you lock. Press button. So now let's fix the adapter. First of all, let me remove all this out from here. I don't need anything. Okay, we don't need this. There's nothing. This also I don't need. I can keep it here. This out. This is your adapter. Now, very simple. There is nothing about brainstorming. It is very easy. First, you take this and insert it from here. The adapter goes here, okay? So you will fix this here, and this is your pin from here. This adapter gets connected here. Yeah. So you put this from here. Through this. This is through this. Push it in nicely. Now the adapter goes into this pin. It's a C-type cable. So you just push it. Lock. You can feel the pin straight. Now your Motovlog setup is ready. I have used a studio mic. Now this is also very easy. Once you put this up already, this I've showed you. Yeah, I will show you again. This is the setup I've done. See, so I have brought this wire from inside right around, and the mic is connected. So I lock this. I lock this. Okay, this is locked. Now this mic, you have to push it here in this. Okay, this is your adapter mic. Without the adapter, this will not work. This is your mic. So you push here. Done. Okay, step 1, your mount. Step 2, your J mount, extended J mount to move the camera. Step 3 is getting your GoPro inside the case and lock it. Step 4 is getting your adapter into the case and you plug it in over here. And step 5 is you bring the remove this side surrounding. You bring the wire right around and you fix your mic over here. Now guys, this is your final setup. Cool. It's looking nice. What I will do is in my next video, I'm going to show you how it is, if there's any kind of vibration or any kind of issue with camera shaking, and how is the flexibility, the stability of this, and is there issues, pros and cons. I will share it with you. But I don't think, because this is very strong, as you can see, I'm shaking it so much, it's not going to fall also. It's not going to fall. Look. Okay, so let's try it on. Let me move my band. I will use this strap. Now, as you can see, this angle, if I look this side from this angle, if I see this angle, the camera, when you're driving the bike, it is coming down, right? You want it up. So if you want up, you have to bring like this. You see this? You can bring down, you can bring up. This is the J mount, extended J mount. So I can keep like this. If you want higher, up frame, straight angle, and you want it a bit low, you want it like this, you can keep. So you can keep like this angle. Yeah. Now I will lock this. Okay, we put this here. You check it out, it's not touching. And lock. Then you can adjust. Okay. Now I open this. Okay, so I've showed all the 360-degree left movement, center, right and back. The ventilation is here. Everything. By putting M seal here or fixing M seal here, you will just damage your helmet. So I advise not to put M seal. If it's your choice, you want to put it, but it will only damage the helmet and it's permanent fix. And if you try to remove, it will make a damage. So the best way to use is this mount, which is soft. It's also flexible. It holds the grip properly, and you can see it's very easy step. There is no time wastage. So I hope you like this video. Give a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do comment and let me know what you feel about this setup and any other advice that you have. And that's it for today. So thank you very much.